In this video, you will see how to copy table from ChatGPT to Word and border table. It's very easy. First, go to your ChatGPT and then copy the table. Just select it, right click and copy the table. Then go to your Word document and paste the table. Now you will not see the border around the table when you copy from ChatGPT and paste it into the Word document. To solve this problem, just select the table. You will see that there is indeed an invisible border around the table. We just need to fix it. To fix it, right click on the selected table and go to table properties. Here you will see the option of border and shading. Click on this option, and right now none is selected. That's the reason you are not seeing the borders. You can see the preview as well here. So instead of none, just select the option border, and now you will start to see the border around the table. And for border inside the table, you need to tick this inside horizontal border and inside vertical border. Here you can select the color of the border if you want, or just leave it to black, and this is the thickness of the border. So let's say I will increase it to 3 points. Make sure you have selected here table next to apply to, then click on OK and OK. Now we have a border, but the problem is this is a double border, and to make it a normal border, just select the table, go to the table properties. This time go to options, and under the default cell spacing, we just have to untick this option, allow spacing between cells. Untick this option, click on OK and then click on OK to get the normal table with the border. Now you can center align the text, and in case if you have stretched the table like this, we just have to select the text inside the table, go to the table layout tab, and here just select the option center align. So this will center align the text in the middle of the cell. In this way you can easily copy table from ChatGPT to Word and border the table quickly. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to learn more about ChatGPT. See you again in the next one.